Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. In front of me here is the Honda CR-V, and very small job today is try to fix the front shocks. We order aftermarket front shocks over, haven't been replaced for since the car original, like 2011 car, and it haven't been done to replace the shocks, so I replaced the shocks for him. The car have a little bit problem when they start up in the morning. They're concerned about the power connection, and I checked for them too, and see why it's very difficult to start up every now and then. Maybe the starter motor nearly died. Let's see what happened. And anyway, we do what we have to do today is the shocks over, and we undo from here. Take this one up, and you can see the bolt that's undo, and take it up and replace it. Should be easy for everyone who know. Very basically, very easy. This is the shocks that's original from the car been long time ago, and you will see the rubber broken here, and it's very old. All the pushing inside is not very good. To do this one, we can do side one by one. Check it up and put it like that, and do it. So get a flat screwdriver. Pick up this one. Take up the cover. Oh, it's hot. Car mostly always easy than any other car, so front one always easy. So undo them all, and all you do is just take this one. Okay, lift up this one. It's hard because it's original, you know. It never been touched like a virgin girl. This one, it's really sticky. Rubbers. Like that. Okay, number 19, please. And one more, number 12 here. And number 12. 13. 12. This one. Okay. Number 12. Wherever bolt is put on the side, much easy for you. Hold your hand, grip like this. Take it out. Wrong size, sorry. This one 17. They are using different size. Hate it, man. Make me work harder. You go like that. Grip, hold here, pull it back. Okay. This one should be come up. Okay, come on the side. This one's for the sway bar bolt. You see the sway bar bolt. Put it back here. Okay, like that. 21, 22, and 19. Give me all different sizes. That's why it's hard on me. So this one. Oh. Okay. Get the easy one out first. Always get the one in corner here. Don't drop the bolts. It's very hard to get the 14 bolt on the car, on the Honda. One, put it there. Okay, 4 bolts loose out. Now 5 bolts. Hold one hand here like that. Okay, and pick it up. Should be simple. Simple how you eat instant noodles. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Now I can go down here, concentrate on, and take it up. See the bracket that came with the 5 bolts. So we have to remember which one go with. Okay. The tools you can buy one cheap. All we do is just put this one on, and I will show you. See, they come up very safety. Now number 17, undo it out. This is the old one. We don't keep it anyway, so we can grab it here. We throw the socks away anyway. We just keep the spring and the bracket for this one. See, that's how you can take off, and safety for you. But you see, this one got the buffer taller, so we better leave this one here. See, taller than the old one. It's taller. Anyways, better put the taller one on. Well, we got the bar like this to push this one to the center, and we press it down, and we put the bolt on, and we bingos. Okay, got one down. We try to get this target, go into the target there, and we are bingos. Okay, and it's very hard to do by yourself. If you got 2 person, would be good, but if you by yourself, I wish you luck. Go in, go in, and go in. Okay, now one right in the wall. So that one, you go in there and go in there. That's it. That's how it's gonna be. Go one hand holding. Awesome, man. See how long you can handle. No. Okay, again, shaggy and hanging, whatever it is. As long we got one bolt and the target is there, already there. That's it. Now we try to put all the bolt back in, and we are loving cows. Okay, we are loving cows. We put all 4 or 5 bolts on, and we don't tie them in yet. We put the shocks in position, and then we will gotta get a magnet, pick up this one, this one. This one, this one, this one, yep, and the last one. Okay, just leave it stringling like that, so we can target this one on before we tie the top one, and we got them down. That's it. It should be very simple for everyone, like this. Okay, and all we do is just take it on, and if you muscle it up, muscle it up, push it on. Okay. Okay. Oh man, I lost my power. I need a jack. Check it out. I got the jack under the stand for the car, so I have no energy to lift up. So what I do is tricky and easy way. Use my little jack. Put in here somewhere, don't put in the dish, put it here somewhere, lift it up until you get the right level. Okay, we're using this one by using the radar gun quicker. I have no time for do slowly. Okay, see, okay, we get the bolt ready. What we do is check up a little bit. See, like that. Yep, and then point it in a little bit more. That's it. Don't tell me they sent me the wrong one. I killed the bastard. Okay. Don't tell me they sent me the wrong one. I killed the bastard. Okay, can't get him on. What's wrong here? Okay, I got it. Turn a few turn. Turn a few turn. Yep, a few turn. And this one, go in. Go in. Look how I get him on, yeah? Okay, you put one in. Now it's much easy. Just like that. more, a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. Done. That's how you expect to do the same thing, okay? Which way is? Yep. Okay. See? Easy. Now we can take this one down without any help, but we still bring it to the outside. We need to do exactly the same with other sides. So now it should be stay. What we do is make sure super tight up this one, no kidding at all, super tight. Okay, we need the number 22 to go in this side to punch it on, and punch on the big one, and number 19 to hold this one. So all the heavy of the car is on the front shocks here, so need to be super tight, no movement at all. If you got some movement, you will hear the sound not very nice. Okay, it's super strong, super 100,000% like that. All we do is just this one in, and this one, what we do is push it on down. If you got the energy, okay, go down, same way out, same way in. Okay, 19. Holding behind here, exactly the same way out, same way in. Okay, I did put the wrong bloody socket again. Where my number 17? Sorry, man. I'm a dumper. Okay, strong too. And it's very important, is keep the shocks dynamics. Okay, spring the rubber in. Okay, last one will be on. That's it, and we go on the top. We tie the top one in. So make sure secure everything one by one, and you will be all right. Yeah, that's how it is. Looking cool. This will be 100% jobs, and very secure here. After we go on the number 14, tie them all back in, and we are laughing cow. See, super stay still, rain banking new socks. Okay, we go on the top. That's it. That's how I should do. To the other side the same. Replace for the Honda socks is super easy. Okay, the Honda most easy. Okay, 19, and we are bingos. And I want it to protect longer, and it should help the see the dust get away from it. And this one 100% always stay there, and it will protection the socks longer. That's how I would do. Okay, and that's it. Guys, thanks for watching Simon 2. This is how Simon replaced the Honda CR-V 2011. So we got one side down and another side do exactly the same. Okay.